Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Ezygo.app knowledge series. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the 6 necessary skills for teachers to excel in their career. Teaching a class of students is a tremendous duty. It does not just imply that a person stands in front of the class and gives a lesson before leaving. A good teacher will get the best out of his or her students. Only a teacher has the power to sway a whole class of young minds and shape them into brilliant gems. For a modern educator, having a professional degree or certification isn't enough. It is critical to have the necessary skills to aid in the growth of students. Education has grown digitally as a result of modernization. Yet, many teachers are uncomfortable with it and prefer to educate using traditional techniques. Previously, simply giving a lecture in class was sufficient. However, this is no longer the case, and the instructor must improve their delivery approach in order for students to comprehend and conceptualize the material. The next question that comes is, why skill development? The pandemic and the unexpected shutdown of educational institutes resulted in a great deal of trouble for teachers to manage and conduct online classes due to their unfamiliarity with using internet software, and as a result there was a lot of uncertainty among students. Teaching is a profession that necessitates ongoing professional development to stay current with new ideas. Many institutes are emphasizing the development of students' interpersonal abilities and soft skills, which are concepts that are foreign to the teaching staff. Teachers must build their skills in order to analyze, study, and share their knowledge with their students in a classroom. Now let us know what are the required skills of a teacher. Aside from having solid subject knowledge, a teacher must also possess abilities such as number 1 is communication skills. A teacher should be able to communicate effectively. This will allow them to deliver their lectures more effectively as well as help comprehend and communicate with their students, reducing the communication gap and helping render impactful and interactive lessons. Number 2, technical skills. As technology evolves, educational institutes are adding a lot of technical subject for students to enhance their technical expertise. So a teacher must be conversant with the working of application and software, various programming languages that will be taught in a class. Number 3 is perseverance. A teacher should be approachable, which means that he or she should be able to be patient and polite with students and responsive in the classroom, as well as maintain classroom discipline. Number 4, creative thinking. Using a unique method of delivering a lecture will help students understand the material better and may even kindle their interest in the subject. Number 5, organizational skills. An instructor must have a schedule in place for conducting classes and providing notes that will assist students and must tailor his or her lectures to the needs of the students. And the last one is smart eye. A teacher must have critical thinking and an observant eye, and he or she must be able to assist and mentor his or her class, especially students who require more assistance than others. The next thing is how to develop these skills. To begin, one must conduct a comprehensive self-analysis of one's teaching and how it affects the class. Feedback from students or institutes will definitely help to understand oneself better. There are numerous teaching training programs available to help teachers enhance their skills and methods of instruction. Regular faculty training programs are provided by accredited schools and institutes for personnel to attend and obtain professional training in technical and non-technical subjects with certifications. A teaching program is CPD, Continuing Professional Development, and it is a vocation that requires ongoing learning. An instructor's soft skill must be strengthened in order for them to improve their own interpersonal abilities and, in turn, help the students benefit from them. CPD is significant since it helps one comprehend his or her career progression, as well as assisting them in their assessments and boosting one's professional career as an instructor. Many leading colleges and universities are on the lookout for qualified instructors and professors with professional training and certifications in teaching and soft skills. Conclusion: to sum up, whether it is students or teachers, skills are the most important aspect of anyone's professional career and they need constant development. There is no such thing as an age limit when it comes to learning and gathering knowledge. A skilled teacher can always bring out the best in students and help them build abilities that will enhance their educational careers.